A lot of us think you can have way more fun on 2 wheels than 4, but how much fun can you have on 6? Hey Mike, our neighbor just called and he says he has a big surprise for you.
Yeah?
Yeah, you want to guess what it is?
Yeah. Is it a taco?
It's not a taco.
Is it a donut?
It's not a donut. It's a bigger surprise.
A chupacabra.
That's a good guess. Hey guys, meet our neighbor Andy. That's his monster truck. I drew him a little cartoon. Now in the back of his trailer, let's also meet Max. Max is an ATV that likes to go anywhere. It likes the mud, it likes the dirt, it loves the hills, it loves the water, it's amphibious. Heck, this thing loves to rip around in the snow. You can throw tracks on it and you can even plow with it. So Max is a 6-wheel drive ATV. It loves to climb, like I said, and it turns on a dime. This thing is freaking amazing. Max goes anywhere. Right now it's going in our neighbor's driveway.
Yeah. No, I thought that was a stick. I thought it was like cords coming through it. Yeah. Yes.
Amphibious.
These are so cool.
Mike, did you notice the bonus item in the back?
The bonus cart, of course.
That's gonna be fun.
Well, I told you it wasn't donuts.
It's a good day.
It's a good day?
Good day.
Yeah. And then this is a freebie right here.
It's like the banana splits, man. You're cheap.
He's too young for that.
Nice job, dude.
Isn't this like the old banana splits thing?
It is.
1 banana, 2 banana, 3 banana, 4?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so the Banana Split Show was a Saturday morning kids show in the late 60s and early 70s, and the characters always ripped around in these little cars, right? This figured prominently throughout the show and the intro, etc. It was sort of like the Monkees, but for the furry fetish set, right? Okay, I'm just kidding. It was a show for kids, so forget the fetish part. But they were always ripping around in these cute little cars, right? And this is what Mike and I are talking about.
What year do you think they're making?
This thing? It's got to have some manufacturers. Yeah.
Now, full disclosure, we don't even know if this thing is going to run. It certainly wasn't when he picked it up. What do you see, Mon?
Trying to see like a date or some type of...
Is there a tag hanging?
That's what I'm looking for.
She sent me a picture of like a plate.
Yeah.
It might be. Oh, right this?
Oh, you mean that
yeah.
big thing on the side right there? Yeah, well.
Has a serial number. So is that handle thing? Is that the gas thing?
This right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the throttle.
Throttle?
Yeah.
So, hey, I checked out the number on this plate and discovered it was no longer in service and found out that a new company, Planet Resource Recovery, is taking over the Max brand and relaunching this whole brand in 2023. So I dug around, found a new number, called, spoke to the new owner, and found out this is a 94.
Be like George Washington going across the Delaware.
Right. One of you is going to be standing and pointing.
Yeah, right.
Those are the lights.
Well, the rule is fat tires equal fun.
Usually.
Usually.
Yeah.
6 of them too.
Yeah.
What's wrong with that?
Should be 2 times more fun.
2 times.
Where'd you find it?
Canyon Country?
Canyon Country. Just driving around or a Craigslist?
Facebook Marketplace. Popped up saying something that you can't live without.
Yeah, well, we know you.
I've never seen one before, so I'm like, I thought it was...
It's cool. I've seen them, never running. You know?
You've never seen one running?
No, I've seen them in garages, sitting like this.
Hey, how many of you guys have seen a Max like this or their two-seater? Better yet, if you have one, leave a comment, let us know. Okay, we admit it, we are pretty green when it comes to this machine. So be kind, or better yet, leave a comment, share your knowledge, let us know what we're missing, what we could use. We'd appreciate it. By the way, Mike and Andy have a little bit of a habit finding things that aren't working and making them work again, even if we don't know what we're doing.
That's what I was going to do.
I have trash cans.
Okay. This is just so perfect with the baby carrier right next to it.
Oh, yeah, this is where we're going to strap the baby on. She's going to want to go on this too.
Yeah, it's a family vehicle.
Yeah, once Rocky sees how practical this thing is, she's going to come around, Andy.
What? He didn't tell his wife he was getting this? Uh-oh. Oh, you told her that you got this?
There you go. It's all making sense.
I have a part track right there. It's perfect.
Hey, how many days do you think it'll be till we get this thing running? Leave a comment.
You're never going to strip it with that. Maybe get some channel lock so you can...
So it can strip?
Yeah.
Pull out to start.
Yeah, where is it?
Push in to run.
Hey, how many of you guys have resurrected a found treasure gem like this? Let us know in the comments.
Okay, because there's the choke right here. Right?
Yeah, exactly. So that's a throttle, so it's missing.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, there's nothing, no spring or nothing. So
Does it?
Yeah, it's probably mixed it up. Motor nose. That thing's moving crazy. Is it supposed to move that much?
Probably.
Really?
I don't know.
That's the throttle. Comes around here. What are the chains? You gotta take the cover off. Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be a lot of work.
All those bolts. Well, it looks like this is enough for day one, right? The big thing, the big takeaway, is to put it away. And these guys have got to get it away before Andy's wife gets home and gets upset. Or gets excited. Speaking as a gearhead wife myself, it's a real crapshoot. You never know. All right? Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. And like I said, if you're a Max fan and you've got Max experience, please feel free to leave a comment. Tell us what we're doing right. Tell us what we're doing wrong. And if you got great resources for parts and accessories, let us know. We are eager to learn everything we can about the Max 2 6x6 ATV. Well, Mike, what's the verdict? How long do you think it'll be to get this going?
Get it started? I don't know, get it started today.
Get it going?
Get it all sorted out, I don't know. Doesn't look like there's all that much to it.
Well, hopefully, if we put out this video, maybe we can find a little community of folks who know more than we do. And
anybody
we can learn.
Know anything?
Let us know.
Give us a comment.
Thanks, guys. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.